How to add a location on Instagram. The best way to add your business location on Instagram is by using Google Maps. Open any web browser, I'll use Safari, and go to maps.google.com. You can also search for Google Maps and click on the first result. Once you're on Google Maps, search for the location you want to add. Like here, I will a restaurant location. When you find it, tap on it and then swipe left to find the share option. Tap on it, then select Copy Link to copy the location's URL to your clipboard. Next, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile, then go to Links and select Add External Link. In the URL field, paste the link you copied from Google Maps. You can also give the link a title if you want. Once done, tap Add, then Done to save the changes. Now, if you go back to your profile, you'll see a clickable link to your location. That's how you can easily add your business location to Instagram.